welcome to Nina's kitchen. Today I will make a very easy but it's very nice recipe which is called Dahi Pakoda from the whole wheat flour. This is basically my mom's recipe. When we were young, she used to make us a lot. In order to make this Dahi Pakoda, I have taken 1 cup of the whole wheat flour. I put a little bit of salt as per your taste. And a pinch of baking soda. Now I will make the dough out of it. At this point I have taken the 1 cup of water. Let's see how much it takes. You have to add the water slowly, not to get the lumps. At this point I took almost the 1 cup of the water, only 3 tablespoons of the water left. Maybe if I need it later on, I can use it. I will keep this dough to set it aside at least for 10 minutes. Friends, after 5 minutes, I have put the oil on the stove to get it hot. The water is perfect. I took 1 cup of flour and almost less than 1 cup of the water. Now I will mix the dough properly till my oil gets hot. The consistency of the dough should be like that. The oil is getting ready. So what I will do, I will take a little water into another bowl, put my fingers into the water, and again I will take some dough, put it in the oil. And now I will make the stove on the medium heat. If you do not have the baking powder, you can use the baking soda too. This pakoda, you cannot make it perfect round. That's why I will not say it's a dahi vada. This is dahi pakoda. I fried all this pakoda. You can see that they are so soft and fluffy. To make it more soft, I'll put them into the water to soak them. I will let it soak them at least for 1 or 2 minutes. Meantime, I will prepare the yogurt to put them in the pakoda. I took 1.5 bowl of yogurt, which is the homemade yogurt. I always use the homemade yogurt. I made a recipe for that in my past video, and I will strain this yogurt. There should not be any lumps. That's why I would like to strain this yogurt. When I strain this yogurt, I will add some salt at the same time too. And if you like, you can add some sugar too. we are going to put the salt on the top, so that's why I'm not using too much salt in the yogurt. You can see that the yogurt is so smooth. I'll mix them up and keep them aside. Now you can see that this pakoda has been soaked properly. In one plate, I will squeeze the water out one by one. I fry one with the baking powder and another with the baking soda, but baking soda is much better. It will be your choice, friends. If you like too soft, use the baking soda. Now I will put the yogurt on the top. It will be your choice. If you want to keep little bit of the yogurt aside, want to take it later on the top of it, you can do that way too. But I will put all the yogurt inside so they can soak the yogurt very nicely. Now I will put some spices on the top of this dahi pakoda. Add some salt according to your taste. Put some red chili powder. Because I did not put any green chili or nothing inside, so that's why I will put little bit more of this red chili powder. The spice level you can do according to your taste. Now I will put the roasted cumin powder. Little bit of chaat masala. This is optional, but if you put it, the taste will really good. Now I will put this sweet chutney, which made out of the dates and mango powder. And at last I'll put this coriander chutney. Friends, the plate of my dahi pakoda is ready. You can see that it looks very delicious and very nice too. If you don't have nothing and any of your friends or any guest comes, you can make this dish right away in your house because you have all the stuff in your house. I appreciate, friends, you can try to make this item at your home and also let me know how do you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to put your comments. Thank you very much for watching my channel.